Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your PayPal account to TikTok. First, simply open your TikTok application, ensuring you have the latest version installed. Once it is open, tap on your profile icon located in the bottom right corner of your screen. From your profile page, find and tap the three lines or dots in the top right to open your main settings and privacy menu. This is your gateway to managing account details. From the expanded menu, you will want to select Settings and Privacy, which is usually near the bottom. Within Settings and Privacy, look for and tap on the Balance option. This section allows you to manage your virtual coin balance and see past transactions. To add a payment method, including PayPal, you will then tap on Get Coins or Recharge to proceed to the next step of the process. Now, you will see an option labeled Payment Methods or something similar. Tap on that to view your choices. From the list of available providers, select PayPal as your preferred method. TikTok will then securely redirect you to the official PayPal website or their application. Here, you must log in using your PayPal credentials, ensuring your account is properly linked. Always confirm you are on a legitimate PayPal page for security. Once you have successfully logged into PayPal, carefully review the permissions TikTok is requesting. After you agree, acknowledging you understand the link, you will be automatically sent back to your TikTok application. Keep an eye out for a confirmation message or a green checkmark indicating that your PayPal account has been successfully linked. This ensures all future purchases or donations through TikTok can be processed smoothly using your newly connected account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.